The Dyna-Living Steam Cleaner 2500 watts is a powerful cleaning device that generates high-pressure steam up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 seconds, effectively removing grease, grime, and stains without chemicals. Equipped with a 1-liter water tank and a 6-gear adjustment feature, this steam cleaner allows for tailored steam output, making it adaptable for various cleaning needs. Its 360-degree chemical-free cleaning capability, aided by a 2.2-meter steam hose and an extended nozzle, ensures thorough cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. This versatile steam cleaner is suitable for a wide range of applications, from auto detailing to cleaning furniture and kitchen appliances. The package includes a variety of useful accessories, such as extension tubes and different types of brushes, enhancing its functionality for diverse cleaning tasks. Designed for both home and commercial use, the Dyna-Living Steam Cleaner offers a convenient and efficient solution for maintaining a clean environment.